Sarah Ben-Sabat wears a mask in most indoor spaces
To protect myself.
and recently resigned from this Montreal restaurant after she says a manager told her to take her mask off.
They told me that they had received complaints from customers about the mask, and that if I wanted to continue working there, I wouldn't be able to wear my mask anymore.
Ben-Sabat contacted Quebec's Workplace Health and Safety Board.
They told me they couldn't help me because it was up to my employer to decide if I could wear a mask or not.
The board says employers have to protect their workers, but can determine the conditions under which work is carried out. The restaurant says it doesn't require its staff members not to wear masks, and that it did not demand Ben-Sabat's resignation over it.
Employers can really decide what an employee will wear at work. So
In many parts of Canada, the right to wear a mask at work without a medical condition isn't written in stone, says this lawyer.
It's not rising to the level at this point, in the government's perspective, that masks are necessary to provide a safe and healthy workplace. So it is gray. They can certainly file an unsafe work complaint and see what the ministry will do.
In the U.S., the fast food chain In-N-Out Burger recently ordered employees in several states not to wear masks unless they have a medical condition. Wearing a mask literally adds a barrier to communication, the company said. Some provinces, such as Manitoba and Saskatchewan, say employers can generally decide their own mask policies, but other provinces say workers may be protected under human rights legislation. BC's Human Rights Commissioner says the law is still evolving.
I think from a human rights perspective, we have to allow people who want to mask for self-protection and again to protect those most vulnerable among them to do that.
Ben-Sabat has another job now where she says she plans to keep masking. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.